If your shop vacuum cleaner is blowing dust out the front, we're going to sort it out today. It's caused by a buildup of heavy dust if you've been doing building work or anything like that, or you've just neglected your vacuum cleaner. We're going to take off the bin, remove the filters. These will be full of dust. We need to blip the vacuum cleaner on just for a couple of seconds without the bin and without any filters. And this is going to blow out any dust that's trapped inside the motor compartment. Once all the dust has gone out of the motor compartment, we're not going to get that problem back, because we're now going to empty the bin and make sure that's fairly clean. It doesn't need to be spotless. And then we need to clean the filters too. My video in a second is going to show you how to do that if you're not sure. If your filters are really jam-packed full of dust, it may be a good idea at this point to buy a new set of filters. Now your bin is clean and your filters are clean, your suction is going to be back up to new, and you're not going to get that cloud of dust out the front of your vacuum cleaner. The next video shows you how to clean your filters properly, and the one above it shows you how to deep clean your bin, if you wanted to go that far. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and don't forget to like my video.